Hello everyone, my name is Linda Borghi and I am the founder of Farm-A-Yard. The mission of Farm-A-Yard is to grow healthy people, and what I saw was that the information in order to do just that was not really readily available. So I became a podcaster, a podcasting grandmother, published on iTunes. But as of late, I realized that in order to create a mighty movement, we needed a place to gather. And that was the birth of the Farm-A-Yard's Mighty Network. There is so much information that I have planted in that network. After all, I've been at this for 30 years. But it's not just me. There are many other people adding content to the pot, so to speak. So I invite you to come on in, take a look around. I'll catch you on the inside. And until then, go farm healthy people.